So we are going to solve this question. Prove that the tangent at any point, this is our tangent, this is tangent of a circle perpendicular to a radius through, this is radius, and this is tangent through the point of contact. Given a circle with a center of O, this is our center and its name is O and this is P, and a tangent at point of A, and this is it. Next, to proved OA perpendicular L, OA perpendicular of A, OA equal OC, OA equal OC, because this is radius of circle. OA equal OC equal radius. Next, same radii. Now OB equal OC plus CB. OB, this is OB, OB equal, this is OC and this is BC or CB. OA less than OB, OA less than OB, OA a small side and OB is big side. So OA is small than, less than OB, and OB greater than OC, OB greater than OC. From the point B is an arbitrary point of an tangent L. Next, thus OA is shorter than any other line segment joined to any point on L, hence it proved.